Events like this mean that people are really interested in what's going on. It's not like a show where you have a lot of people just strolling around and not really knowing what they are looking for. Here you have people really focusing on the process chain, on added value, on more or less acting together. And this is exactly what I expected.
And the machine will help me getting to the next step. It will help me validate processes, validate the parts, if they are correct or not. So it's going to be the next step for me.
I was very much impressed with the scanning system that EMFLOW is developing, so the quality system. And if the promises will be materialized, let's say, then there is really a big future for this quality scan system.